Is this the Burj Khalifa?
No, sorry, this is just a virtual production of Zero Density.
Okay, thank you.
You're
Thank you. So
welcome.
this is the future.
Yeah.
Our rundown is running the whole show automatically. So here the whole show, all camera movements and graphic objects are in a chronological order, and with just one press the whole show is running.
We will drive our famous F1 cars onto the stage. Here we go.
Leno is not only about unified content sharing and content creation platform. It's about comprehensive control that Reality Hub gives you across the whole ecosystem basically.
Thank you for visiting Zero Density at IBC 2024. And if you still have any questions, please reach out and we'll be in touch.